Namaste, and this is how you sing Ramachandraya Janaka. So this is a very popular bhajan, and you can find the notation to this online. But if need be, I have also linked it in the description for your convenience. So we're singing in G sharp Shruti, but please tell me if you have any other requests, and I'll try to fulfill them for you. So the main line starts Ramachandraya Janaka Rajaja Manoharaya Mamakabhistaraya Mahitamangalam. So Ramachandraya Janaka Rajaja Manoharaya Mamakabhistaraya Mahitamangalam. Next line. Kosale Saya Mandahasa Dasa Posanaya Vasavadi Vinuta Sadvaraya Mangalam. Kosale Saya Mandahasa Dasa Posanaya Vasavadi Vinuta Sadvaraya Mangalam. Next line. Charu Kumkumo Peta Chandanadi Charchitaya Haratakata Shobitaya Buri Mangalam. Charu kumkumo peta chandranadi charchitaya haratakata shobitaya puri mangalam. Next line. Lalita ratna kundalaya tulasi vanamalikaya jalja sadrusha dehaya charu mangalam. Lalita ratna kundalaya tulasi vanamalikaya jalja sadrusha dehaya charu mangalam. Next line. Devaki suputraya deva devotamaya chapajata guruvaraya bhavya mangalam. Devaki suputraya deva devotamaya chapajata guruvaraya bhavya mangalam. Next line. Pundari kakshaya purna chandravadhanaya andajata vahanaya atula mangalam. Pundari kakshaya purna chandravadhanaya andajata vahanaya atula mangalam. Next. Vimala rupaya vividha vedyanta vedyaya sujana chitta kamitaya shubhagha mangalam. Vimala rupaya vividha vedanta vedyaya sujana chitta kamitaya shubhagha mangalam. And then last line, which is the same thing. Last line goes, sorry. Ramadasam Rudala Hridaya Tamarasa Nivasyaya Swami Badgirir Varaya Sarva Mangalam. So that's how all of them go. They have the exact same pattern for all, so it's really easy. And if you want any help, please check out my practice video. It's also linked in the description if you need for help practicing this song. I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much.